it's Katie with WTI, and it's become a little bit of a hobby of mine to try out different flavors of espresso for my Nespresso machine. One of the sets that I have really come to enjoy is this flavor set by Bespresso. It has 3 different flavors: chocolate, caramel, and vanilla, but it has them in a really cool way of saying them that I'm not even going to try to pronounce. I love how subtle these flavors are in your espresso. It's not an overwhelming fake vanilla, caramel, or chocolate flavor. It's nice and subtle so that you can enjoy it, but it's just not too much. It doesn't taste like you have the syrups in it. It's more like a hint of flavor instead of that flavor. I love that these capsules are compatible with my machine and also with my drawer that I keep all my capsules in. And I love how I can make the flavors nice and rich and strong just as a shot of espresso. Or if I want it a little more smooth like an Americano, I can do that and it still tastes wonderful. Now the flavors aren't labeled on the lids of the capsule, but they are color coordinated. So all you have to do is know which color for which flavor you want and you're good to go. If you haven't gotten on board with flavored espressos yet, then you really should. And a good place to start is with these Bespresso espressos. And that's my point of view.